Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a nice day. In this video I'm gonna show you how can you use the inbox tool in Meta Business Suite. So guys, to use the inbox tool in Meta Business Suite, at first from your page just go to Meta Business Suite, or you can also go to the URL business.facebook.com. Now from the left side here you can see inbox, click on inbox. And now from here you can see, if you select all messages, you can see all of your messages here, all of your Instagram messenger, Facebook comments, Instagram comments, anything as well. If you search here you can see anything from here, and if you click on messenger you can see all of your messenger conversation here. If you click on create messaging ad, you can create messaging ad. If you click on Instagram you can see all of your Instagram conversation from here. If you click on here, which means filter, you can filter all of your conversation. If you click on Facebook comments, you can see all of your Facebook comments. You can also reply to them as well. And if you click on Instagram comment, you can do the same thing as Facebook comment. Here you can search for them in the search bar. So guys, these are the things that you can do in inbox tool in Business Meta Suite in Facebook. Hope you found this video helpful. If you have found this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Team channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.